Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market just opened up, so I will go ahead and pause the recording software for now. And as soon as I find a potential opportunity, I'll get this software rolling again. All right, I'm looking to buy a put option here at 163. So I'm watching this number over here. And when I see that drop down to 163, or excuse me, 160, where I'm looking to buy. So 160 buy, and if I am able to buy, that white line there will turn green. I'm actually going to cancel that out now and go to 150. I am doing options. If you don't know what options are, just comment below option guide. I will link you to a free class to put together called the Big Basics of Options. Okay, that might be actually... Let's try 165. That looks to be probably more so the... All right, I'll cancel that out and we'll see if it wants to come up a bit more. All right, now if you don't know what options are, just comment below option guide and I will link you to a free class I put together called the Big Basics of Options. It'll walk you through terminology, how they all work. And I know sometimes options have the reputation of being complicated and they can be made that way, but they don't have to be made that way. So if you like to approach things in more simple, straightforward ways, then I'm confident that guide can help you out. So again, just comment below option guide and I will link that to you. All right, try and maybe here at one. Yeah, let's try at 165. See if... Yeah, 165. Might have been too slow on it. All right, I will pause. We're going to try at 165 here. In at 165. Out for 500 on that one. Very good. So just to reiterate, that was white for a moment. It turned green, meaning I was able to buy, and then that sat white for about 8 seconds, and that went from white to green, meaning I was able to sell. And I say 8 seconds because in that column right there, you can see executed time, and it tells you the time of the trade. And right there, you can see was in it for 8 seconds. So yeah, as scammy as it sounds, I made $500 in 8 seconds. And the crazy part is, had I held longer, then I'd be very realistically not, yeah, I'd be up about 1,000 now, if not even more. All right, well, let's see if it wants to go back up. And I'll try again at actually same, let's double check, 165. I'm at 165 again. We'll see if it wants to go back up there. All right, I will pause. Okay, I have an order at 160 here for a put. Well, came up, got somewhat close, but not close enough, so I'll cancel that one out. I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 167 here for a call. I'm going to cancel that out, go to 160 now. I might come back up to 170. We'll see how this starts to form right around this area here. Let's go to 145 here. Maybe 165. Want to see if this thing wants to... As it comes down some more. All right, let me figure out where's some next. do like 155. Did not fill me though. I thought that was going to be a quick fill. I mean, we're kind of getting close to, not really. I'm looking at the 5. Now, what you're looking at here is a 1 minute time frame. Looking at the 5 minute. The 200 period is kind of within range, but still not really. Let's see how this candle here closes, and I may be interested in 155. I will pause. Have an order at 145. Once again, not filling, so let's go to 140. All right, I will pause. Have an order at 160. Did not fill me though. I get fill now. Let's throw an order out there. Nope, still no fill. Well, now I'm thinking it might push through that area, so I'm a little more hesitant. I got 155. Or is it about to get rejected? Let's see if I can slip in for 165. There we go. So let's see what it wants to do here. Out for 350. That one took a little bit longer than what I've thought, but I'll take it, especially when it's 10:02. So 32 minutes into the day, $850 in my pocket. I'm not a greedy savage. Very grateful for that, and I will take it. And I'm going to go ahead and just move on with my day. As context, I have multiple streams of income. I encourage you to do the same. That's why I call trading a side hustle for myself, because this is not my only stream of income. I do it because I believe in multiple streams of income. And I'm stalling here a little bit because just to show, I chose a sniper shot, but had I chosen to hold and let the thing work for me, I mean, now look, I'd be up over $1,000 again. So this video, not really, making the sniper shot look like the wisest of strategies, because so far, both of them, had I not done a sniper shot, I would have made more. Granted, again, and if you can see me right now, I'm waving my hand in the air. I am talking in hindsight right now. So on the flip side, had both these trades I gotten out and then the price went against me, the sniper shot would be looking very, very smart right now. But today was just one of those days where it wasn't technically the right strategy to choose. But again, that's all hindsight. But regardless, so back to my point, I have multiple streams of income. I encourage you to do the same. And I realize, if your goal is you want a private jet, then yeah, $850 is not going to get you there. But for me, in my stage of life with my goals, a father of 6 kids, I want the freedom of the schedule. I want the freedom of the calendar, right? I want to be able to look at my schedule and pick and choose what I want to do. And when you have multiple streams of income, you are able to do that. And in my mind, that is the ultimate form of wealth. Maybe the ultimate form of wealth for you is a Malibu mansion. Cool, go for it. I hope you get that Malibu mansion. But for me, I think the freedom of the calendar and the schedule is the ultimate wealth. And if I can put $850 in my pocket in 32 minutes, that is worth my time. Don't know if it's worth yours. I'll let you determine that. But for me, I can say it's worth my time. Again, when you factor in that there are also other streams of income coming into my situation. So that is all I have. Again, if you want to learn more about options, comment below option guide, and I will link you to that free class. But thanks for watching. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.